mean, I know why most people don't have a plan, because it's not taught in school, and they don't have a good role model to actually show them that in life you need a good plan, otherwise you're going to end up in shit creek. When you're 65, you're going to end up in shit creek because you never had a plan. A very small basic plan when you're 18 to start building your own wealth, to build your own crack your own financial sky. You know, it's simple. This shit isn't rocket science. Simple plan, you know. The steps of building your financial freedom. Number 1, you need to have a plan. Number 2, don't overcomplicate it and have faith in your plan. And number 3, it takes time. There's no get rich fucking quick plan. There's none of that shit. You know, you just have to do simple things constantly over time, 20, 30, 40 years. You know, and this is outside your superannuation. You can do basic things and build yourself up. You know, basic idea when you're, you know, for a young fella or a young chick, young woman, when you're 18, you turn 18, you hop on, you do 20 minutes of research, you find out the lowest cost brokerage, online brokerage company, you know, like ComSec or E-Trade, or, you know, all the big ones do it, all the big banks do it, all the little banks do it these days. Actually everyone does it these days. So you find out the one with the lowest fees to buy stock, trade shares. You know, you can trade shares for less than $10 these days, or you can even do it for less with companies like Acorns and things like that. But me, you know. So you open up your own brokerage account when you're 18. You save $50 a week. So that's $200 a month. And then every three months, you hop online, you buy yourself the lowest cost EFT. You know, in Australian EFT, good ones. You know, something that covers the ASX 200. So, you know, beta shares, they have a ETF that's very, very low cost. You just buy it until you've got $10,000 invested, and over that time, once you saved and invested your $10,000 in an ETF, I should say, ETF, you know, then you've got a little bit of knowledge. You can start to look at other things, but you just got to start. You'll make mistakes, you'll get scared, but you have to start. If you don't start, you won't have anything. You'll just be poor your whole life, and you'll be complaining. Your life will be shit. You know, so you need to start now. If you're older, you just save. You have to save more. But the key for the young people, the young kids just coming in, starting out in their life, have a plan. But just a simple, basic plan. You know, every month, every week I save $50. Every 3 months I invest that in the stock market. Doesn't matter if things are going up, it doesn't matter if things are going down. It makes no difference. If you start investing when you're 18, you know, by 40, 50, you'll be a multi-millionaire. I mean, I can show you the numbers. We can look at all those things in another video, but really, I mean, people overcomplicate it. Everyone wants you to think that it's, you know, investing is hard, it's difficult. It's not. You know, nowadays, with all the online broking and all that type of stuff, and all these other different apps and all the rest of it, you know, it's just start. You know, investing, you know, $600 every quarter. Just start investing. Anyway, thanks.